because we're all going to concise what we're going to say.
Hello, everyone. We're Wargo's section of 405, and we're the kindergarten and first grade group, summarizing theories and practices of multimodal education, the instructional dynamics of picture books in primary classrooms. Multimodal is defined as multiple modes of representation with combined elements of print, visual, image, and design.
The first aspect that we're going to talk about is words express meaning through typesetting. As illustrated in this picture and described in Hassett and Kerwood's article, symbols and the sizes of fonts are carefully chosen to represent a sense of feeling and connotation over denotion. That in this picture, you can see that the type of font is different colors, and for younger kids, these different colors can really give a significance to them about what mood the type that part of the story is about. Also, the size of a font can really give away something as well. For the Froggy example, in the yellow, bold, black letter font, it says Froggy, and this shows that he's calling to his father. It's loud and it's long and it's excited, so that's why it's yellow, it's exciting, and it's a big font because he's yelling it. The other parts of the text are smaller because they're not as excited as that. So that shows how the words, the typesetting that they have, and the color can really express meaning.
The next aspect to discuss that was covered in Hassett article is interactive narration. Interactive narration occurs when there's a conversation within the story. These conversations show relationships between the different characters and allows the reader to relate to the characters more personally. In this picture from the article, you can see that the Sundays are talking to one another. One is saying, "I don't know." One is saying, "Can I see your straw?" Nobody touch me. I just got off the grill is what one character is saying. So you can see how they relate to one another and how they're interacting with one another. And in this, in this example, from Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, they're having a conversation with one another.
Images also expand meaning. In this story, Casey and the Bat, you can see how badly he wants to hit the ball. Images say more without words at times too, and this helps using context clues to figure out what's going on in the story.
The next multimodal we're going to talk about is multiple perspectives. So in this picture, you can clearly see the pole dividing the two sets of pictures. The characters are looking at each other, but the images that are given for them is different. On the left side, it's cloudy, it's darker, the trees don't have leaves. On the right side, it's lighter, the trees do have leaves, it's like a lot brighter of a setting. And in the next picture, you can clearly see that there's students, looks like they're singing a song, they look like they're multicultural, but then also within that picture, you can see it kind of looks like a cow, the black and white spots, the cow udders, and it kind of, if you look at it in a more broad way, you can kind of see that the students and the characters in the picture are kind of making up that other bigger picture of the cow.
Thanks for watching.